Let's list. I need my phone. Okay. Poshmark. I try not to be like any stuff that could look. I usually use the other table. I honestly like. I like this table better. Not 100% necessary, but it will get you more likely to, you know. All right. I like to fold them up neatly. And I put all of my listed items, the majority of the items that should be folded, in here, and some of them I have hanging. This one I figured. Great like it. And then back. Front. And put her in. Brother. And we got a logo here. Because winter time is coming. Winter is coming. It needs to be shown off. I'm there. I don't like to overwhelm myself. Do it to your own pace. Truly. I never post one like that. Alright. We just took all our pictures, have them in our phone. Now, open up Poshmark. And then you're gonna click sell. Go to your photos. We're gonna start with the most recent, show selected photos. You can crop them if needed, like I'm gonna crop a little of them. So then you click add. And then their news feature, honestly, saves so much time. The hardest part is taking the pictures. I'm not gonna lie. It's the smart listing AI. I'm not a fan of AI, but if you could take a picture of a tag and make a description for me, great. I always edit it, majority of the time I edit it. Like to add any details if there's any snags, like this one. How do I write that? Like fray underneath can be trimmed. I could trim it, but personally, I'd prefer the person to see the flaw in it, and it's not even like it's a flaw. You can just snip, snip. I just personally don't want to snip it because it's gonna fray underneath can be trimmed. And then you kind of just checked anything. I like to just change it. So this is like neon, yellow, satin-like. It's not satin. It's not that expensive. Satin-like skirt. Fourth photo. Yeah. Okay. Photos, category maxi, I don't think it's maxi skirt. It's definitely not like a maxi, so I just removed the category. Oh, we're not gonna add a subcategory. Brand, what is it, Future Collective? Yeah, Future Collective. I don't remember the original price. So I'm going to just use the suggested price. And I always kind of start with what the highest is, because it's likely what I paid. If I paid full price, I probably paid more than that. So let's go with the suggestion. Size is 2, new with tags, no. Colors, yeah. Style tags, let's do neon. Neon. Is it maxi? What else do I put? Like, there's a lot of different options. Eclectic grandpa. No, I thought it said electric grandpa. Gorp core. I don't want to look that up. What the fuck is that? Indie sleeves? It could be indie sleeves if you wear enough accessories. Linen, let's go like satin. It's not satin, but like it's satin-like, so I made, you can read a title. Okay. With slit and what do I call that? An asymmetric with slit. Let's do yellow skirt with slit and asymmetrical waist. That's the best way to describe it. It's an asymmetrical waistband. I can really do my homework and try to find the original photo, but we can always upload that later. So, next, and list. So yay, I did a streak. So yes. Okay. Let's do this one. Why? Because I think they would actually look cute together. And I'll show you how to do a feature to do that at the same time, to the bulk share. I really like that one because you can share your items all at once. It's very convenient. I'm not at the Posh ambassador status yet. So that's, when you get that, you get more features. But anyways, so rotate, they need to rotate. I don't know. It'd be really cute for a concert. How bad do you want me? Wait, is this her encore song? Okay, I need to finish. Okay, celebrity pink white jacket. Let's do white. I don't like that title. Cotton, white cotton, white cotton, denim style. Because it's like a denim style jacket, but it feels much softer than denim. You can't, and I'm gonna put that in the description. Like soft fabric with, okay, so looks perfect for concert or spring day, classic design. looks like a denim jacket without the rough texture. Does it have pockets? Yes. You'd be surprised. Okay, category women's jackets. I'm not gonna put it in jean jackets. Style tags. Coastal Cowgirl. That one's a popular one. Well, for where I live. And Beyonce. Wait, are we done? White cotton denim style jacket. I don't like that. White cotton soft jacket. And list. Nice. So, it was not the encore. She did that for the encore recently. I gotta stop getting distracted. Back to Poshmark. So, main page and everything. You go on here and then you go to your own spot. You go to my closet, and then this is everything in my listing. I've literally been Poshmarking since 2016. Literally, we can go all the way back down to my first purchase, my first sale. This Betsy Johnson dress. I swear, literally, I bought it it was my first like thrift find. I wore it once or twice, and then I just was like, I needed some money, I needed to just get rid of some stuff, and it's great. I'll show you, I'll scroll all the way up. So we wanna go to become a Posh ambassador. So that's my personal goal. I'm trying to get it just because you can unlock more features. I'm trying to not make, I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get rid of my clothes, to be honest. Get rid of my clothes. If I can find things, I sometimes, you know, you get a lot of buyer's remorse. You buy something and then you just don't wear it. Very guilty of that. So then that's what I've started doing. Selling my stuff. So, Posh ambassador. Then you go down to, so I am at 4,200 self-shares. You need a minimum of 5,000 to get that. And I need 3,000 community shares. Community shares takes a little longer because you don't have that bulk feature for it yet. I'm assuming you'll unlock that for the 2.0. But anyways, to do the bulk listing, go here, share to followers, bulk listing, and there's a few ways you could do this. You can do it like list everything at once just to get your numbers up. Who says you can't do that? But it does look cluttered and you're not really getting to sell anything. Personally, I like to put things together like a little outfit, like the jacket, the skirt, these shoes. Do I have a top that could go with it? Like, honestly, I like playing like, outfit, like that little top. Share. Those 4 little items, little outfit. Now people could say, if someone can literally buy that and then bundle it together. I haven't dabbled in bundles. If someone wants to bundle anything, absolutely, I'll let them, but I don't like the promoting of the bundles. I know it's like a good strategy, but I don't love it. Oh, and while we're on the sharing, so there's many ways to share things. Personally, I get bored of looking at stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I'll go with a brand I like. Let's just do Shop Journey Burke. And thank you, Poshmark, for actually updating something, because I love this new feature. And now maybe we'll actually get to that Poshmark ambassador status a little faster by this stupid little follower button. Bam, 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 bam. I don't know who was part of the last research session. You did good. You did good. That one was great. Like, that's cute. I go to like certain brands, whatever I like, honestly, and then I just share it. Love the color. Simple as that. So we're working our way up towards that while we're trying to get rid of our own stuff. So thankfully I've had pretty good momentum since January with my sales. So we've got, oh no, that's personal information. Stop the presses! We're not gonna show that. That's people's information. Next sale, I will actually record myself like putting it together, because like I just get so excited when I get one. So I get it, I pack it up, and then by the next day I'm at the post office. So thankfully my spot has one of those 24-hour kiosks, and as long as it's not a really big item where I don't have to find a specific box, I have a few things that are ready to go. So take a look at my shop if you want it. Anyways, bye.